when I started with binary options and actually with all the trading, Forex and cryptocurrencies, was difficult for me to understand how to trade and understand how to move the market, different types of analyze the market. And we know we have the fundamental analysis and technical analysis too, and are totally different. For me, if I totally beginner, totally new, what's a hard process to understand how to learn to make money with binary options, with trading, with Forex, with cryptocurrencies. And even today, I have my experience in this trading world, and sometimes I know what not to do, and I still continue to do it. So for this reason, I like to make this type of videos with simple strategies, with simple methods, and are writable because you need to know how to read the market with different type of analysis, technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Both are so important, but in that process, when you learn how to trade with different strategies and have that knowledge too, you're gonna have a better results in your trades. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you these live trade sessions with this strategy for binary options. And every day we learn something new. So I hope this video like it, and let's rock. Okay guys, today I'm gonna share with you again this live trading session. Today is Monday. You're gonna see this video in a few hours, but I'm gonna trade right now with the market with binary options using the broker pocket option. The first thing you have to do the moment you want to using this strategy, well, you can trade with pocket option or use the broker do you prefer, right? And with that, using this broker or another broker if you want it, you can using the link below this video to open your demo account. Listen to me, you need to start with your demo account before to using your real money to trade with your real money. My advice is using your demo account with this turbo strategy to get better results in your trades. Why? Because with your demo account, you can practice and maybe make more writable this strategy for you and get better results in your trades too. So what type of entries we are searching? When is a good moment to enter on this strategy? Well, I mentioned this here, and this is a good example that I found right now. The best moment to trade is when we follow the trend. We are going to use in 3 moving average, 1 period 200, color green or the color that you prefer, 1 period 8 and 1 period 60, right? We are going to trade for a put, like in this case, when the yellow moving average is crossing the white moving average period 60 exponential volt. And we are going to trade for a put, right? We are going to trade for a put, follow the trend. How we know it's a downtrend? Well, for that reason, we using the 200 moving average. When the charts and not the seconds moving average are below of the 200 moving average and cross it going down like this example, we are gonna trade for a put. I decided taking this another signal because I see a stronger red candle. That means the market is gonna continue going down. So this is a simple strategy for beginners, but it's so writable. Was in the money, it was a crazy red candle, was a good luck. I wanna say this. But continue with the red candle. So this is a simple strategy for beginners, for those don't have too much experience, for those looking are searching a writable strategy, but with simple steps. Because I just like I said before, I understand sometimes we don't see everything good. Look at this; this appears now. Sometimes we don't have time. Sometimes, well, I don't know. Simple, we don't understand when or where to trade. What happened with this? Let's go to check it out. It's failing right now, pocket option. Weird. So this is another good example to not take it the signal. My advice is better trade, follow the trend. It's better, okay? But it's not the only way. A good example here, why it's better. The moving average 200 is below and crossing for a put maybe was in the money on this one, maybe. But if you enter a few seconds later, this candle leave it out the money. So it's a risk to trade if you don't have, or if you don't follow the trend. It's have a little percentage more to get losses. And I don't like this type of market too, because we don't have a stronger downtrend or uptrend. So it's better wait for another chance to earn money. So the steps are so simple. We are going to follow these simple steps. We are going to trade for a put or call. It depends the 200 moving average. And my advice is only risk the 10% of your balance, or the 1% of your balance. Depends how much money you have in your balance too. And you can practice with your demo account. Right now I'm going to record in this live trading session. Today is Monday, the first one we have in the money. My idea is increase my balance, double my balance. Today is my last day to trade with binary options. I don't like it trade the end of the month. I like it require my money in that days. So let's go to see how ending right now. And it's something good we need to notice here is the time to receive my money with pocket option taking only 30 minutes, 1 hour maximum right now using Bitcoin, right? Using Bitcoin. It's a good process for me. So I hope this video I can earn money. So let's go to recording this live trading session. I hope so double or make a good money today with these simple strategies. Let's rock. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop my day trading today. I decided to stop it right now because I don't want to make over trade, and I wait for most 45 minutes to only catch a few signals. So it's a long time and I have another things to do. But I decided stop it right now. I think it's a good number for this month. $10,000 for this month is a great number. But the process of how I made this money is here on YouTube, and I think $10,000 per month is a great number for binary options. It's a great number for binary options, and it's not impossible. We can do it. You can do it. I can do it, and it's a hard work. It's a learn about our losses, about our mistakes, and I believe you can do it too. So I'm using this strategy a lot. In my next video, I'm gonna show you another strategy. If you don't like it, trade with this triple strategy with moving average. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash this video, and see you in the next wave.